On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is very easy, and the best part is that I'm going to show you one of the offers that can pay you higher amount anytime you get a lead. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA network so that you can find offers to promote. In this case, we are using CPA group. So if you want, you can create an account with CPA group. If you want, you can create an account with Max Bounty or any of them that you want. You can create an account and then use this same method. If you are using CPA group, once you have created your accounts, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, you are going to click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, you are going to select my offers. Once you select my offers, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to select any country that you want to get offers to promote. For example, these offers are allowed to be promoted in the United States. So what we are going to be doing in this video is that we are going to search for offers in Ireland. So you can just click right here. Once you click on it, search for Ireland. Once you search for it, you can see Ireland right here. Just click on it so that you can find offers to promote. Once you click on it, you can see these are offers that you can promote to people in Ireland so that they can complete the offers for you to make money. You can see a lot of them. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to select one of these offers so that we can promote it to make money. There are many offers, but you have to find the one that you can make a lot of money. In this case, we are promoting this one right here. Claim a iPhone 14 gift card. The payout is $10.27. So anytime you get a lead, that is the amount that you are going to be paid. You can see the requirement is pin submit. So it means your potential visitors have to enter their mobile numbers to stand the chance of winning iPhone 14 gift card, and you are going to be paid $10.27. You can see the offer is allowed on Apple iOS. So now what you have to do is that you have to click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. So just click on it. Once you click on the offer, you can see the details of the offer. You can see right here, this is the title of the offer. This is the requirement. Enter your mobile number now for a chance to win. You can see this is the payout. You can see right here, this is the date the offer was added. But these offers, they do not have expiring date. So the offers do not have expiring date. The owner will only remove it if they get up to the number of leads that they want. You have to take note of that. You can see these are the tracking domains. If you want, you can just select any of them. You can see a whole lot of them. Apart from that, you can see right here, this is the warning. This offer is only allowed on Apple iOS and Ireland. So your potential visitors must be using Apple iOS. You can see this is your affiliate link. So you have to get people in Ireland to click on this link and then enter their mobile numbers to stand the chance of winning iPhone 14 gift card, and you are going to be paid $10.27. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source. There are two types of traffic. If you want, you can use the free traffic. If you also want, you can use the paid traffic. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a paid traffic source that you can use to get many people to click on your link and then complete it for you to make money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is exoclick.com. So you have to search for exoclick. Once you search for it, you are going to find a page like this. This website is one of the websites that have cheap cost per click. So if you're a beginner with low budget, you can use this platform to advertise your link and then get many people from the country that you are targeting so that they can click on your link and then complete the offer for you to make money. So now what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account so that you can begin using this platform. To sign up for an account, you are going to click right here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, you are going to enter your username, company name, password, confirm your password, first name, last name. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see your email address, confirm your email address, your Skype ID. You have to enter that right here and then click right here. Select your country. It's available worldwide. You can see many countries. Once you select your country, you are going to enter the currency that you want. If you want euro, you can select that. If you want United States dollars, you can enter that. Once that is done, you are going to select advertiser. Select advertiser right here. I want to buy traffic. Once that is done, you are going to click right here. I read, understand, and accept terms and conditions and privacy policy. Once that is done, click right here, sign up so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to begin creating your campaign. To create a campaign, you are going to click right here, campaigns. Once you click on campaigns, you are going to see a page like this. Click right here, new campaign. Once you click on new campaign, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to type the name of your campaign right here. You can type anything that you want. In this case, I'm going to type iPhone gift, something like this. Once you type the name of your campaign, if you want, you can create an ad group, but in this case I'm not going to create an ad group. What we are doing is that we are promoting a CPA offer, but if you want to promote many offers, you have to create an ad group. So you can click right here, new group, so that you can create a new ad group. But in this case we are not going to create an ad group. Once that is done, you're going to select the category of your ad. You can see they have adult, traffic, and they have entertainment and lifestyle. So any category that you want, you can select. In this case our own is entertainment and lifestyle. Just select that. Once you select it, you can see the subcategories. Any of them that you don't want, you can deselect it. For example, if you don't want sexy, so just deselect it. You can see dating, we don't want that, deselect it. As you can see, that has been done. The offer that you are promoting is a gift card, so we don't need dating or sexy content, so just leave it like this. If you want, you can select the second category right here. If you want, you can just click on it and then select it, but in this case I don't want to select this category. Once that is done, you can see the various ad formats. Any of them that you want, you can select it. You can see right here they have banner, in video banner, you can see instant message, mobile banner, sticky banner, RTB banner. So any of them that you want, you can select. In this case I'm going to deselect banner. Once that is done, I'm also going to deselect in video banner. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to leave the rest. Once you have selected the ad format, the next step is that you are going to click right here so that you can continue with the rest of the steps. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see ad variations. So you are going to enter the details of the ad that you want to run. You can see right here the image size that is required is 300 by 250 pixels. So you have to download the offer image and then use Canva to design it with this size. So now what you have to do is that you have to go back on CPA grip so that you can get an image of the offer. Once you come back on CPA grip, you are going to right click on the image of the offer. Once you right click on it, you are going to select save images. Once you select that, you are going to click right here save so that you can save an image of the offer. Once you save the image of the offer, you are going to come on Canva so that you can design your image. Canva is a graphic designing website that you can use for free to design anything that you want. So once you are on Canva, what you have to do is that you have to click right here custom size. Once you click on custom size, you are going to enter the size of the image that you want to create. In this case is 300 by 250 pixels. 300 by 250 pixels. Once you enter that, click right here create new design. Once you click on create new design, you are going to see a page like this. This is where you are going to upload an image of the offers. To upload an image, you are going to click right here uploads. Once you click on uploads, you are going to select upload files. Once you click on that, select the image of the offer that you downloaded. Once that is done, click on open. Once you click on open, you can see this is the image it is uploading. Once you upload the image, click on it so that it will appear right here. Once it appears here, now what you have to do is that you have to drag it and then expand it so that it can occupy the whole space. Just drag it and then expand it the way you want. You can see that has been done. The next step is that you are going to download your image. To download it, click right here share. Once you click on share, you are going to click right here download. Once you click on download, you are going to leave it as PNG file. Once that is done, click right here download. As you can see, the image has been downloaded. Once you have downloaded your image, the next step is that you are going to click right here add variations. Once you click on add variations, you are going to copy and paste your affiliate link right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA grip. Once you come back on CPA grip, you are going to click right here copy link so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you're going to delete this. Just delete everything. Once you delete it, paste your affiliate link right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to click right here select file so that you can upload your image. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see right here upload files. Click on it so that you can upload your image. Once you click on it, you are going to select the image that you designed. Once that is done, click on open. Once you click on open, you can see this is your image. Click right here add one variation. As you can see, that has been done. You can see this is your image. You can see this is the ad. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to select the way you want your ad to be distributed. So you are going to click right here. Once you click on it, you can select even, fixed, automatic on click-through rate, automatic on conversion rate. So you are going to select any of these ways that you want your ad to be distributed. In this case, you are going to select automatic on conversion rate. Click on that. Once you select that, the next step is that you are going to click right here so that you can continue with the rest of the details. Once you click on it, you are going to select the country that you are targeting. In this case, we are targeting Ireland, so you are going to search for Ireland right here. Just search for Ireland right here. In this case, we are going to search for Ireland, so just type Ireland right here. Once you search for Ireland, you can see it right here. Click on add so that it can be added right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you select the country, the next step is that you are going to click right here so that you can select your pricing. So now what you have to do is that you have to select your pricing model. If you want smart CPM, you can select that. CPM, you can select that. CPC, cost per click, you can select that. In this case, we are going to select CPC, cost per click. Once you select that, you can see this is the cost per click. If you want, you can change it to any amount that you want. In this case, I'm going to select 0.005, something like this. This is the amount that I want to pay per every click. If you want, you can increase it or you can decrease it. It depends on the amount that you are willing to pay. Once you enter the cost per click, if you want the frequency capping, you can select that. You can see the daily limit, you can select that. Total limit, you can select that. The time period, you can select that. Any of them that you want, you can customize it. In this case, I'm not going to turn them on. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, next. Once you click on next, you can see traffic type. You can click on it and then select any of the traffic type that you want. In this case, I'm going to select all. Once that is done, you can see target mode. If you want, you can just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select all. Just select all. Once you have entered all the details, the next step is that you are going to click right here, create, so that you can create your ad. As you can see, campaign was successfully created. Your campaign has been created. The next step is that you have to deposit funds so that your ad can start running. You can see no funds, so you have to deposit money into your account. To deposit money into your accounts, what you have to do is that you have to select payments. Once you click on payments, you can select any of these payment methods that you want and then deposit money into your accounts. You can see they have a lot of different payment methods that you can select. Any of them that you want, you can just click on it and then deposit money into your accounts. Once you deposit money into your accounts, your ad is going to start running and you are going to be getting people in Ireland to click on your link and then enter their mobile numbers to receive iPhone 14 gift card, and you are going to be paid $10.27. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be using this website to make money with less investment. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.